What's up everyone, and thank you for stopping by the channel. Today's project is this Boland's lawnmower, and the problem is that the last time it was used, it stopped running and wouldn't start again. Let's take a good look at it and see if we can find out what's wrong with it, and hopefully we can fix it. In this video, we repaired this lawnmower. However, it may not be the exact repair that you need to make to yours. We'll explore other situations later in the video. After the last time this mower wouldn't start, it was sidelined in a barn for a long time. That was 10 years ago. And that's why there's so much dirt on this thing. This mower is a real barn find. However, so much time has passed, finding out why it wouldn't start might be a bit difficult. If we check the oil, we can see that it looks great and is at the right level, so there's probably not any internal issues that made this mower stop. The next thing to check is the brake handle. We want to make sure that it still works and is moving the brake and the kill switch at the engine, which it does. So that's not the problem we're looking for. And of course, if we check the gas tank, there's obviously no gas in it. If the mower stopped and was refilled with some bad gas, that would definitely keep the engine from starting again. If we pull on the rope a little bit, we can feel that there's great compression from the engine. It's not worn out at all, which makes this mower worth fixing. Another reason why this mower may not be starting is if it hit something hard and sheared the flywheel key. But if we look at the blade, we cannot see any gouges in the blade. That means the blade hasn't hit anything and the key isn't sheared. Let's check the air filter and see if it's clogged up. And it looks like it's in perfect condition, so that's not our problem either. The carburetor inlet is completely clean, so this mower is practically brand new. Let's put some gas in the carb and try starting it. If it runs, then our problem might be the carburetor. Well, fortunately for us, it did run, so our final test will be to put some gas into the tank and try priming it. If it doesn't prime, then it won't start, and the diaphragm may have to be replaced. And fortunately for us, it did prime the engine, so let's try pull starting it and see what happens. Well, it started and ran just like new, so I have a theory as to why it wouldn't start the last time so many years ago. So my theory is that they were mowing with it and ran out of gas. They then filled up and poured the last bit of gas they had left in their can. Now this could be a problem because water in the gas would be at the very bottom of the can. So I believe they poured the very last bit of gas they had along with the water into the fuel tank, and it kept the engine from starting again. And of course the only way to get rid of the water is to physically remove it, or remove the gas cap and let everything dry out. 10 years was more than enough time. So my question is, are you still using ethanol gas in your small engines, or have you moved on to 100% gas already? Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. Please feel free to ask any questions, and I hope to see you in my next video.